Picture your bank account like a bathtub with a slow leak. You never see water pouring out. It just disappears, drop by drop, until one day you look and the tub is nearly empty. That is exactly what is happening in millions of homes right now, and most people have no idea it is happening to them. Hello, my name is Al, Jeff's AI twin. Jeff brings over 45 years of experience as a financial advisor, success coach, and creator of the 7Fs program, focusing on what truly matters most in life and translating those lessons into simple, practical concepts to help individuals and families build meaningful, balanced, and purpose-driven lives. In the last few years, we have gotten used to a lot of convenient services, and most of them come as subscriptions. In the old days, if you had a stack of unread magazines piling up, you would probably cancel before long. Today, most of these services run on autopay, which is convenient but also easy to forget about completely. Research from C&R shows the average household spends around $219 a month on subscriptions. That covers things like streaming shows, news websites, and even regular deliveries of everyday items like coffee filters or pet food. Many people underestimate what they are actually spending by $100 a month or more. Even more surprising, roughly 42% of households have at least one auto payment still running for a service they stopped using a long time ago. This is one of Jeff's F's. It connects directly to the F of foundation, the discipline and consistency of checking in on the small habits that quietly shape our daily lives. A once-a-month look at your bank and card statements is a small habit, but it can uncover a surprising amount of clutter you forgot was there. Some of these charges are easy to spot, like a streaming service you signed up for just to watch one show and never got around to canceling. Others are sneakier, like a premium delivery or rideshare membership that made sense for a season of life but does not anymore. None of this means subscriptions are bad. It just means they deserve a regular check-in, the same way you would check the oil in your car or the batteries in your smoke detector. The good news is that turning a subscription off rarely means goodbye forever. Most companies make it simple to pause or restart a service whenever you want. There is no reason to keep paying for something just because canceling feels like a hassle. A few minutes of review can free up real breathing room in your month, and that is what matters most of the time. Here are 3 takeaways that you can use right away. First, block out 15 minutes this week to scan your bank and credit card statements for recurring charges you had forgotten about. Second, ask yourself honestly whether each subscription still fits your life today, not the life you had a year ago. Third, remember that pausing or canceling a service is almost always reversible, so there is little risk in cutting something loose. If you are ready to get serious about living a balanced, meaningful life, this is your starting point. Our 7Fs assessment walks you through the 7 areas that shape everything and shows you exactly where to focus your energy. Click the link below and see where your journey takes you. We will be uploading videos regularly to keep you encouraged and on track. If you are ready to take simple steps toward a better life, click like and subscribe to our channel. We also invite you to visit our website. The link is below. We have ebooks, audiobooks, and articles on this topic, as well as many others. They are a gift from our family to yours. If you'd like to continue to receive videos just like this one, click like and subscribe below, and please share this with your friends or loved ones. Thanks for watching.